clever. Smart or quick at thinking and solving problems. He asked a clever question in class. My brother is clever at puzzles. Ripe. Ready to eat usually for fruits or vegetables. The mango is ripe. The tomato turned red and ripe. Cranky. Easily angry or upset. He is cranky when he is tired. She was cranky after a long day. Blushing. Face turns red usually from feeling shy. I saw him blushing when we laughed. The child started blushing in front of strangers. Aloof. Not friendly or not showing emotions. She seemed aloof and quiet. He stayed aloof at the party. Envy. Feeling jealous of their success, looks, or things. He envies his friend's car. She looked at them with envy. Frantic. Very worried, scared, or in a hurry. He looked frantic before the exam. She was frantic when she lost her phone. Waggish. Funny in a clever or playful way. He told a waggish joke. The boy gave a waggish answer in class. Doubt. To not believe something. I doubt his story. They doubted the news. Embarrassed. Feeling shy, nervous, or uncomfortable. She was embarrassed to speak in class. I felt embarrassed when I fell in front of everyone.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!